Every evening you cross the threshold of your apartment at high velocity, only to crash into a chaotic blast radius of shoes and bags that instantly spikes your stress. This is not a failure of your willpower, but a catastrophic structural defect in your entryway that actively destroys your psychological decompression. We often mistake a chaotic entryway for personal laziness, but environmental psychology reveals it is actually a malfunctioning behavioral valve. Clutter at this domestic threshold physically severs your transition from the public sphere to the private home, actively hindering psychological decompression and locking you in a state of high-velocity stress. Studies in environmental psychology demonstrate that proper vestibules operate as mechanical airlocks, utilizing spatial friction to physically force architectural deceleration. Without this engineered drag, your high-velocity external momentum crashes directly into your low-velocity living space. By installing perpendicular forced turns and distinct tactile flooring shifts, you deploy architectural nudges that subconsciously strip away outside speed. This mechanical micro-vestibule acts as a physical filter, systematically offboarding your public routines before you ever reach the living room. Stop relying on willpower to neatly organize your belongings in an open hallway, because that straight-line geometry guarantees a clutter blast radius. Instead, construct a sequential offload station where a perpendicular barrier forces your body to pivot, mechanically breaking your forward momentum. By combining this forced turn with a high-friction rug, you build an inescapable decompression airlock. This geometric redesign ensures that before you even reach your living room, the chaotic velocity of the outside world is entirely neutralized. Stop fighting your own momentum and start engineering your environment by installing a physical barrier at your door. Reconfigure your entryway's geometry today and watch that chaotic choke point mechanically transform into a seamless airlock for effortless daily flow.